Hey guys. So today I wanna share a medyo private story since nasa cafe tayo, parang again, para tayo nagchichika na magkaibigan, and I want to share with you that I really did make mistakes back in the days shared with money. Syempre, alam mo naman yun, ayoko naman sabihin na no, I'm the best person na pinakamagaling lahat tungkol sa finances, personal finance. No, I'm not. I have my fair shares of mistakes. So when I was growing up, guys, hindi ako yung perfect person na parang pinakasikat sa school. I was very big as well. So I had a lot of different issues. So for me, 'di ba, it's always the outside of how people will perceive you will make me feel better. Alam mo yun, yung external yung gratification ko at saka external factor yung talaga nagsasabi na, oh, okay ka. Kaya I was the type na, oh my God, I wanted to wear the best clothes. I wanted to have the best bag. I want to have the latest bags. Sasabihin ko, oh, bilhin natin yung LV bag na yan. Bilhin na natin yung Chanel bag na yan. Dahil, feel ng mga tao na, pak, you will look rich. O, di ba, ganon. Never ko naman nangyari na naubos pera ko. I was never that type of irresponsible spender or irresponsible spender. But, syempre, ang dami kong hindi nagawa. Parang if ever I should have invested earlier, yun yung mga things na dapat nagawa ko early on, 'di ba? Sana man lang. But syempre, as your older kuya slash tita slash ate, parang na-realize ko in life na, oh my God, you don't need all of these. It doesn't really matter. And it took me some time for me to be comfortable with myself. Yes, there are times na nag-iisip pa rin ako na may pagka-imposter syndrome ako or whatever. Yes, insecurities will catch up. But at the end of the day, parang na-realize ko, oh my God, if I'm buying all of these things para sa ibang tao, ano yung ginagawa ko? Am I living the life that I want to live? That's why, diba, every time na sinasabi ko, and when I started creating vlogs, that's when I was comfortable with myself na parang hindi ko na kailangan ng external validation from people. I would wear what I want to wear. I'm wearing a whole outfit na napakamura. Hindi nga to designer labels, diba? Napaka-cheap lang ito. I buy bags that I really like and I will just use. I don't need branded bags anymore. And whenever I have that inkling na gusto ko bumili, hindi ko na rin binibili yan. Ayoko na. Parang iniisip ko lang, what if I invest it? Much better. It is for myself talaga. So yun na yung naging priority ko. Family, friends, my personal well-being and my personal happiness. Guys, ba, I create content on personal finance, tapos kung paano ko nag-i-investment, konti man yan, ano yung binibili ko, ano yung that makes me happy, ano yung mga tipid hacks, ano yung tipid tips ko, di ba? Because of the fact na that's something that I also want you guys to enjoy. Life for me is about enjoying rin. Hindi ka naman pwede sobrang tipid, hindi ka rin naman pwede sobrang invest. Dapat balance. It's always better to be wealthy than to look rich or to look wealthy. O, diba? So, take it from me, best. Alam mo na yan. Learn from my mistakes. Start building your nest early kasi your future self will thank you.